Hey there, fellow gamers. Welcome back to my channel, where we break down tech tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super handy. How to use a Vanilla Visa gift card on Steam in 2025. Whether you're stocking up on the latest games or grabbing some in-game goodies, this method is straightforward and secure. Let's dive right in. First off, why use a Vanilla Visa gift card? It's a prepaid card that's widely accepted, and it can top up your Steam wallet without hassles. But before we start, make sure your card is activated and has a balance. Double-check that on the card issuer's website or by calling the number on the back. This step avoids any surprises later. Step 1. Log into your Steam account on the official Steam website or app. If you don't have one, create it quickly. It's free and takes just a minute. Once you're in, head over to the top right corner and click on your username, then select Account Details. Next, navigate to the Store section and look for Add Funds to your Steam wallet. Steam makes this easy with various payment options. Select Credit or Debit Card as your method, since your Vanilla Visa is treated like a regular card. Now, enter your card details carefully: the card number, expiration date, and the CVV code. Don't forget to add your billing address. It should match the one associated with the card to prevent any verification issues. Hit Continue, and Steam will process the payment. In 2025, Steam's system is even more streamlined, with faster confirmations and better fraud protection. One potential hiccup: some Vanilla Visa cards might have restrictions, like regional blocks or insufficient funds. If you run into an error, try using a VPN if you're traveling, or contact Steam support for help. Once the funds are added, you're good to go. Browse the store, add items to your cart, and check out using your wallet balance. There you have it. Using a Vanilla Visa gift card on Steam is a breeze and keeps your spending in check. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming. See you in the next video.